Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very stylish trendy design ideas based, because in this video I'm going to share a latest trendy, easy to make, different geographical region based hand embroidered, handmade designer kurtis, designer shirts in different cool light colors that are absolutely favorable for summers, because in summers cool colors are the colors which are the lighter ones, and the whole video collection and the whole design theme of our today's collection is totally based on the light colors. The combination of different decent and delicate floral bunches, leaf embroidery ranges, and it ends to like traditional design embroidery patterns, Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati embroidery, and some funky embroidery, some birds sitting on branches on some trees with some flowers and some leaves to give an entire artistic and creative view. Friends, kindly do try any one of these patterns, because when you will try these patterns you will make an extremely exquisite designer dress. Then everybody would ask you that from where and from which designer you have bought this highly trendy and amazingly eye-catching and cool attractive design. I hope that I am pretty much successful in persuading you to kindly do try these patterns. You can also try these patterns onto your dupatta designs, onto your shawls, taller designing, onto your scarves, and these very beautiful embroidery borders onto your shirt borders, onto your sleeves, onto your side necklines, onto your trouser capris and pants borders. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like my today's designs, then don't forget to like my video. If you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, then kindly do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Thank you so much for watching.